cold.
Alright, it just started raining, so let's go outside and see. Coming down pretty good right now, actually. So I'm not going to be able to show you from the outside of the car. I'll have to show you from the inside of the car. Let's get out here to it. Rain. Wow. Hold on, I'm shut the door. This is a quick update on the Griot's Garage glass sealer, if you didn't know. And as you can see, it is beating very, very excellent. You can see how the water's running down on it and everything. Now I don't remember how many weeks ago I put this on. It was 2 or 3. I'll put the exact date of today's date and the date that I applied it. But I was just at work and it started raining, so I wanted to show everybody how it's doing. It's doing really, really well. And if it was going down the road, the wind of course would be pushing it the other way, so there wouldn't be any on it. Now if it's raining this afternoon when I get off work, I will be certain to give you an update video showing how it's actually sheeting going down the road without any wipers on or anything. And then if I get home and I'm lucky enough and it's raining there, I'll park beside the other car which has the RainX on it to give you a side-by-side comparison. I was going to do this half and half RainX and half Griot's Garage, and another channel's already done that. We had, you know, great minds think alike, and we had discussed it before and everything, but he ended up doing it, so I was actually going to do a half and half, but since it's already out there, I'm not going to worry about it. I'll just show you this one compared to the one at home that's already had the RainX on there for well over a month. I'll give you all the dates and everything like I said when we get home. But it's raining right now. I just thought I'd come out and show you how it's actually beating and repelling the water, and as you can see, it's running right off, no problems at all. But until later this afternoon when I get home or when it rains or whatever, I'll see you then. Well, here you go. It is pouring down rain again. So let's get out here and check. The black car has the Griot's Garage glass sealer. The red car has the RainX. Let's get out there and see if we can see any difference. Now I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me or not, but we're going to give it a whirl and see. Oh, it's probably been raining for a good 20-25 minutes. But I figured I'd come out here and, ooh, lightning. And I'm in rain holding an umbrella. That's real bright, ain't it? But hopefully you can hear me. Here's the RainX side. As you can see, it's beating very well. Water is running down after it builds up for just a second. And then here's the glass sealer side. Pretty much almost identical. First glance, just looking at it, I really can't tell any difference. Now I'll put the date and everything. Like I said, this glass sealer hasn't been on as long as the RainX. But as you can see, especially on the other side, it is beating and running very well. So far they're neck and neck, with the only exception of how long the RainX has been on. Like I said, this has been on, I'll put the dates. This has been on like 2 weeks now. This has probably been on like a month. No, actually this has been on like a month and a half, to be perfectly honest with you. But as you can see, it's still beating, water's still running off of it real nice. Can't complain. Ooh, I'm gonna get in before I get electrified. Let's check the Tahoe, because I did the Tahoe and the red car at the same time. And my feet are getting soaking wet. The Tahoe is still beating good, but as you can see where the wipers work, the wife uses the wipers a lot. You can see that it's not quite beating or sheeting as well there. There's actually water standing. I hope that's coming through. I think it is. So it's starting to wear off on the Tahoe a little bit. Like I said, I did this car and the red car at the same time. I'll put the dates in, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update so you can see what was going on. Now let's get back in the house. Wife's turtle umbrella. Cute, ain't it? But yeah, there's a quick update. Right now, they're neck and neck as far, because when I drive and it's raining and I got RainX stuff on, if I don't need the wipers, I don't use it. The wife will use the wipers. It doesn't matter if there's just a little bit of dew on the windshield. She's like, I want to see where I'm going. Which I can't blame her. She wants to be safe. That's all fine. But I'll give you the dates and everything so you can judge for yourself. So far, they're neck and neck.